What? What?
Oh my
You got the
God!
hiccups?
I have the hiccups.
The alcohol hiccups?
Did you read all that stuff?
The alcohol hiccups?
I just did it
Then
again.
he just had more questions. Didn't he?
Yep.
No.
How much did you drink
He said,
tonight?
Too much.
I'd like to see that thing work. I probably should be there for the setup. I said, well, come on down. Yeah, I don't know if I'll go down there. I said, well, we'll come pick it up. I said, we're going to get down there and get it ready to go. I said, I'll call you. Just come on down and watch it run.
Oh my God, Nancy.
Doesn't your chest hurt?
Oh. I hate that hiccup.
Oh, I smell something like damn dog.
Honey, you ready to go home?
This is what you call alcohol hiccups.
It is.